Alright, so in the previous video, we created the actual login page. So in this video, we're actually going to display the actual account information of the user. So hold on just 1 second. I am offering free coaching to those of you who need help in JavaScript development, Flutter development, and most front-end or full-stack JavaScript frameworks. If you're not opposed to receiving some help, message me through Discord at 8dang. I'll be sure to include my tag below, but remember, I might not be able to help with everything, but I'll try my best. But with that out of the way, let's get back into the video. We're going to get straight into the code. So in the app folder, we're going to create a new folder called account. And in here, we're going to create a new file called page.tsx. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is import all the necessary modules. And then we're going to actually set the metadata or the title of this page to account so that they know this is the account page. So then we're going to create a function, an asynchronous function actually, to get the actual user properties. So then we're going to get access to the token cookie. And then if the token does not exist, we're just going to throw an error. And then if the token exists, we're just going to return the result of the function getUser, which we imported and created in the previous video. So then we could just redirect them to the sign up page if there's any errors, because if there is any errors, that means that the user is not actually logged in and they are not actually authorized to access the account page. So then below, we're going to create an asynchronous function as the default export, which this is actually going to be the page for the account page. So we're just going to wait getUserProp right here. So all we're going to do is that, and then we're going to create an asynchronous function called logout. So like in previous videos, instead of creating the actual action in separate files and having the separate file separate to that of the logic of actually handling the form, so we're just going to have it all inside one file and one component. So inside the logout, we're just going to use server so Next.js knows that this is a form action. So then we're just going to delete the cookie and redirect them to /signup. So then we're just going to return the actual JSX. So then in here, we're just going to have a div that contains the whole screen, and we're just going to center the main, which is going to have some styles applied to it. We're just going to have a header saying welcome back and the user.name, and then we're just going to display the actual user data in a format that we want. And then we're just going to create a form with a button inside just allowing the user to log out. So with that out of the way, we can finally close this file and then open up the terminal and run npm run dev. So once npm run dev is done running, we can open up localhost. So then right here, we should be able to access the account page, but whenever we click on the account page, if you were logged in the previous video, you should be able to go to John Doe. But let's just log out, and this is what you should see initially. So if you're on the landing page and you click on the account page and you're not signed up, it should redirect you to the account page. So then let's just log into our account because the one we created previously, but you could always sign up using this form. So let's actually log in. So let's go john.doe@email.com and then test right there. And now that we're logged in, you see that it actually works. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this series provided you with value. I hope you guys can actually give me feedback below on these fast-paced videos. Let me know, like, subscribe, and comment.